magandang maganda. Ganun talaga pag nai-love ang tao, lahat paligid niya maganda. In love ka ba? Hindi kayo. And it's been I know I'm certain I'm really right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way. Tell me what does I wanna say.
Nakikilig ako, please.
Can this be love? I am not sure of this feeling somehow. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? I can't seem to say this is the first What is it? I love you.